Hey there, this is Shira from Anima. In this video, I'm going to show you how in just a few simple steps you can customize and publish your own landing page directly from Adobe XD using Anima. If you have a Behance account, you can follow Anima and find some great design templates. Here's the design we'll be working with today. Find the files on the right side and download XD file. Now, here we are in XD with our landing page template, ready to be customized. You'll notice all the components and instances that were used to build the design. So let's check out our landing page design template. I'll start by opening the Anima plugin and make sure I'm logged into my account. You'll notice there are two designs here for two different breakpoints, desktop and mobile. These can easily be connected using Anima. Let's focus on our desktop version for now. The design is built with easily customizable sections, which can be removed or adjusted to your needs, as well as headers, texts, buttons, images, or video placeholders, and more. All you have to do is customize the sections with your site's information and visuals. Replace the placeholders with your own images and videos. If I select this video placeholder, for example, I'll see the edit option appear in the Anima plugin next to media. Here's the current link Anima generated for this video, which can be easily replaced with a YouTube video or a local file. Add links and interactions to other XD artboards in the file using XD's native interactions, or to external sites via the Anima plugin. Anima also allows you to add hover effects and entrance animations to your site. Let's add one to our brand section to see it in action. Notice the constraints that have been set up using XD's responsive resize, which will translate to the published website as well. We recommend using responsive constraints and breakpoints to best serve your users who may be visiting from all different devices and viewports. Next, make sure your breakpoints have been set up in Anima's Responsive tab. And now we're ready to preview the design. Once you click Preview, you'll be prompted to select your team and project. Now we can open up the design's preview to make sure everything looks good. Once you're satisfied with how your design looks in your browser, you can sync your draft to your project in the Anima web app. Now that your design has been synced, you can view it inside your Anima account. From Code Mode, you can see the generated code for all elements in your design. You can change the code framework and even export all the code to host it yourself. But if you don't want to deal with code or are pressed for time, you can easily host your site with Anima. From the project page in the top right corner, click on Project Settings, and from here, click Public Link. As an Anima Pro user, you can either publish it to your custom domain from any provider such as Google Domains or GoDaddy, or you can publish it with Anima's public link and get your landing page up and running in a matter of seconds. To do this, simply enable the interactive public link to be set live, customize the subdomain if you'd like, and now your site is officially ready to be shared with your teammates, users, or whoever you'd like. Anima also offers lots of great features to add if I'm building a prototype, such as enabling hotspots to display, different navigation options, and I can also enable password protection for my site if I want to keep it private. Open up additional settings to see ways to set up and customize your website further. Here you can set up a favicon as well as a cover image, which will display when your site is shared on social media. You can also set up a custom app name and icon to be viewed on mobile devices. Click here to set up SEO settings and tags as well as analytics. And finally, under Form Submissions, you can download any entries that have been submitted to your forms that you may have added using Anima's plugin. Under the Versions tab up here, I can view or roll back to a previously synced version of my website and set it live. And there you have it. We've published the website directly from Adobe XD in a matter of minutes. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Check out our other videos in the description below to learn more about using Anima with Adobe XD. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks!